never lift. Back again. Brakes on the Subi. Pretty sure that's a 3/4. If not, it's getting it off, so I don't really care. Let me know. Facts. Look at this nigga on the bike. Let me know. Picked it up by the rear diff. Both the caliper bolts are 14. I put the car in reverse and dropped the e-brake because I didn't want it stopped in the rotor. But yeah, I'm gonna take these off, compress my caliper, get the pads out. I'll just update you step by step. It could have popped those 14 mils off. Boom. Pop the pad off. Use the pad to compress the piston with the C-clamp. Get the other pad off. It's hard holding the camera. Damn, yeah, that one was broke, cuz it's hard holding the camera doing this, so bear with me. And that's probably why it shakes when I push the brakes. But hey, who knows? Hit that other 14 in the back. You'll get the caliper brake. Passenger rear. The pad with the wear sensor or whatever sticking out. Let me just grab this dude. This one, there's only one in the set. Goes on that side. Like I said, I'm about to compress piston. I'll beat that off. Spray the new rotor with brake clean. Got my lube for my caliper pins and NICs for the rest. New clips, of course. It's very anal because this is my daily and I beat on it. But yeah, like I said, C-clamp to the piston. You see how that could work? Beat your rotor off. Beat that rotor off, only took a couple whacks. Got my piston compressed. About to NICs these bolts and put the caliper bracket on with new clips that I have right here and my new Wagner pads. Remember, on the passenger rear, you want this inside, or that's how it came from stock. So got the first pad in, new clips, lubed here, NICs on the bolts. Just a progress update. That's it for the rear, just in time for the rain. It's all back together. Don't forget to pump your brakes.